The Amphenol ICC double-density cool edge 0.8mm connectors are high-speed, space-saving hybrid connectors for board-to-board applications. The 0.8mm pitch double-density cool edge connectors offer a compact design with 2 rows of contacts. This highly configurable single-piece connector can accommodate both high-speed and low-speed signal and power. This hybrid connector reduces more than half of the PCB footprint when compared to 1mm PCIe cool edge and accommodates 1.6mm and 2.36mm thick mating boards to support most of the standard AIC applications. With optimized contacts that are designed to meet 32 gigabit per second applications, this connector meets next-generation signal speed requirements. The special power contact design can carry more than 2 amps per pin. With up to 428 contacts available per connector, this connector can support a maximum of 70 lanes.